GoWISE Power PS1001 Pure Sine Power Inverter 600 watts continuous/1200 watts surge, 12 volts DC to 115 volts AC with battery clips, 5 kinds of protection systems and 3 output sockets. Ideal use in cars, vessels, and for power failure emergencies, and guarantees maximum efficiency with computers, sensitive equipment, and more. 5 protection systems: thermal protection, overload protection, overvoltage protection, undervoltage protection, low voltage protection alarm. Total harmonic distortion, THD, less than 3%, soft start low interference tech and temperature control cooling fan. Output voltage, AC 115 volts, frequency, 60 Hz. Before purchasing, check the maximum amperage of the intended battery. It is the responsibility of the consumer to be knowledgeable on the specifications of the battery and its compatibility with GoWISE Power Inverters. If unknown, we recommend reaching out to the battery manufacturer. GoWISE Power Inverter is an advanced tool of power conversion. It can supply you with AC power converted from a DC power source. It can be used in cars, vessels, during camping and in power failure emergencies. Pure Sine inverters are a stable power source with low harmonic distortion. This inverter is an excellent tool to use during power failure emergencies and guarantees maximum efficiency with computers, sensitive equipment and more. Compact and portable, this inverter can be used on work sites, boats, cars, camping or for permanent use. The PS1001 features 5 kinds of protection systems: thermal protection, overload protection, overvoltage protection, undervoltage protection, low voltage protection alarm. Inverter also comes with an LED light that indicates the problem. Your purchase comes with battery clips, an inverter with 2 AC sockets and 1 USB port 5 volts, and a detailed instruction manual. Top reviews from the United States. Performed as advertised. With some reviews stating inverter would not run at full capacity, I was concerned. I believe those reviews were result of trying to run inverter with a supplied clamp on cables which are not ample enough to maintain good electrical connection with battery. Using on a 50 amp LiFePO 4 and with properly connected number 8 battery cables, I pushed the inverter to 550 watts with ceramic heater and no issues. Ran long-term AC brick to charge compressor fridge with no issues. Inverter is part of homemade solar charged power station with 50 amp LiFePO 4 battery.